Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 12, keeping ourselves clean, and today I will deliver its 6th lecture. So my dear students, keep yourself clean, take a bath daily, brush your teeth twice a day, and clip your nails regularly, and wash your hands before and after eating your meal. This is how you can keep yourselves clean and healthy. So my dear students, as you remember that we have also made charts on unhealthy habits, and also we have made a chart on ways to maintain cleanliness in the previous lectures. So remember these ways that we must avoid all the unhealthy habits and we must maintain the ways to keep ourselves clean. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. Quickly listen to the question very carefully and then pause the video and answer the question. Name some of the ways to maintain cleanliness. Name some of the ways to maintain cleanliness. Very good. Now, my dear students, let's quickly move towards an activity. For this activity, you have to make awareness posters. Now, what are these awareness posters? अवेयरनेस पोस्टर में आपको करना क्या है कि आपको कुछ ऐसे पोस्टर्स बनाने हैं जैसे जिसमें आप हैंड वॉशिंग होते हुए दिखाएं और फिर आगे आप लिखें कीप योर सेल्फ क्लीन, वॉश योर हैंड्स रेगुलरली. So, फिर हम ये posters जो है, you can paste them in the classroom, you can paste them around them in the school, या अगर कोई किसी को आप देखते हैं कि वो clean नहीं है तो आप ये poster उसको भी दे सकते हैं so that they will keep themselves clean. इसके अलावा हमें अल्लाह ताला ने भी कहा है that we must अल्लाह ताला love those who care for cleanliness. हमने ये बार बार पढ़ा है कि अल्लाह ताला प्योर और क्लीन रहने वालों को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. So you can even develop a poster like this, or always throw the trash in the garbage. आप इस तरीके से भी poster बना सकते हैं. So my dear students, now again if you will brush your teeth daily, इसके साथ आप लिख सकते हैं brush your teeth daily. So in this way your teeth will always be healthy. So my dear students, now these are the ideas for making the poster. Now pause the video and make your poster. I will make my poster. I hope everybody has now made their posters. I have designed my poster. So my dear students, what I have made is I have made keep your environment clean, use me, and I have also made a teeth and a brush and brush daily. So I hope you have made your posters, show it to your friends, and these are the awareness posters. Keep them with you. You will need them. अगर आपके किसी friend को ज़रूरत है ये आप उसको दे सकते हैं. किसी बहन भाई को अगर आपको लगता है कोई sibling है who is not clean enough, ये आप उसको भी दे सकते हैं. ठीक है? So these are your awareness posters ताकि आप दूसरों को भी बताएं कि how to keep themselves and maintain the environment clean. So with this activity, we will move forward, my dear students. So today, all the students will be able to recognize the importance of keeping themselves, their clothes, and surroundings clean for their health. So Allah says in Quran, and Allah loves those who keep themselves clean and pure. Allah Ta'ala साफ सुथरे लोगों को या साफ सुथरे रहने वाले लोगों को पसंद फरमाते हैं. So my dear students, what do you do to avoid germs? Germs आपकी body में enter ना हो इसके लिए आप क्या क्या करते हैं? Wash your hands, brush your teeth, take a bath, wear clean clothes. This is how we can avoid germs. So, my dear students, we discussed about unhealthy habits and we also discussed about healthy habits in the previous lectures. So, my dear students, आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? On page number 100, we will discuss about let's communicate. यानी कि हम एक दूसरे को awareness provide करेंगे कि कैसे हम अगर अपने आप को साफ रखेंगे तो इसके क्या हमें फायदे होंगे. Quickly open page number 100 in your books. I hope everybody has opened the page. My dear students, here is let's communicate. So what you need to do is ask your friends if you find your friend or your brother, sister, messy, dirty clothes, disturbed hair, barefooted, dirty nails, what will you do then? Will you refuse to play with them? Will you advise him or her to be clean? Will you complain his or her parents? So my dear students, now what you will do is discuss with your friends and with your class fellows कि अगर आपका कोई बहन भाई या कोई कज़न या कोई फ्रेंड आपको अनटाइडी हालत में मिले, जिसके कपड़े गंदे हैं, बाल बिखरे हुए हैं, दांत ब्रश नहीं हुए हुए, सो व्हाट यू विल डू टू देम? आप उनके साथ खेलने से मना कर देंगे या आप उनको अवेयरनेस प्रोवाइड करेंगे? आप उनको अपना अवेयरनेस पोस्टर भी दे सकते हैं या आप उनके पेरेंट्स को कंप्लेन करेंगे. Now pause the video and do this activity in your class. I hope everybody has done this activity now. आपने एक दूसरे से discuss किया, and if you find any of your friend or your sibling or your cousin unhealthy, untidy, give them this awareness poster. ठीक है? इससे उनको याद रहेगा कि हमें कौन सी habits जो हैं उनको keep करना चाहिए, उनको अपनाना चाहिए. Okay? Now we will move forward, my dear students. We will move forward towards the practice. For practice, you will do analysis and interpretation given on page number 103. Quickly pause the video and open page number 103. I hope everybody has opened page number 103. Some statements are written here and just under them options are given. You need to select or circle the correct option. Okay, let's do it together. Read the statements and circle the correct answer. Number 1, choose the actions to be healthy. Number A option, clipping nails, eating from a vendor. Very good. We will circle option number A because clipping our nails is a healthy habit. Number 2, not wearing mask and smoke can cause cough. Number B, diarrhea. Cough खांसी होती है और diarrhea is the disease of your stomach. So we will get a cough. So circle option number A. Very good. Now number 3 statement. Which of the following situations can make you sick? If you will, number A, the boy has covered his wound, and number B, the boy has not covered his wound, and you can see the flies and mosquitoes all around it which are carrying so many germs. So, which situation can make you sick? Number B situation can make us sick. So, quickly circle B option. Number 4, germs enter into our body through mouth, cuts, and feet or nose. Very good, nose. Number 5, keeping our area clean makes us healthy, sick. Excellent. A option is the correct option. Number 6, food sold by vendors may cause illness because it is cold, it has germs. Number B option is the correct option because it has germs. So my dear students, I hope you have done the analysis and interpretation exercise. Now we will move forward towards the evaluation. Quickly answer, how can we prevent ourselves from germs? We must wash our hands, we must cover our wounds, and we must take a bath daily, we must wear neat and clean clothes, we must clip our nails. So this is how we can keep ourselves healthy, and we can stay away from germs. So quickly note down the homework. For homework, you can simply download this worksheet from the description box below this video. And keeping ourselves healthy, make a list of all the foods that could be harmful to teeth. अब दांतों के लिए जो जो भी खाना नुकसानदेह होता है, you have to make a list over here. Chocolates, candies, sweets, these all make our teeth. These are unhealthy for our teeth. Very good. Now link the part of body with the actions which keep them clean. Now, my dear students, here are taking bath, washing hands, brushing, clipping nails, and tissues. So what you need to do is you have to match it with the correct option. So wash our hands, clean our nose, and clip our nails. Wait. Clip our nails and wash our nose and take a bath and brush our teeth. So this is how we can maintain our different body parts healthy and clean. Now we will move forward towards what have I learned today. Today we learned that cleanliness can be observed by different ways, such as washing hands before and after meal, after using toilet, clipping nails, taking bath, and brushing teeth regularly. And you must also spread awareness among your sisters, brothers, cousins, and friends. अगर आपको कोई अच्छी बात पता है तो वो बात आपको दूसरों तक भी पहुंचानी चाहिए. So my dear friends and students, keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.